Hello everybody, this is Elias with DH Tech Support, and today I want to show you a good way to make a quick 50 bucks using Amazon, eBay, and also using Walmart. It's a very simple process. All you have to do is go to the either Walmart or Amazon stores and find an item that you think is interesting. In this case, I found this phone. It's a blue phone. It's worth $49. So basically with this you're going to get free shipping, because usually with any orders over 50 you can actually buy you'll get free shipping. So the first thing you want to do is find an item like that. So in this case, we're going to use this phone. We're going to download these images the same way that I have them over here. You're going to download them to your desktop. Once you download them, you want to go right onto eBay and click on the sell link. It's going to pop up on this page here. Very simple. You're going to go back to your listing, and then you're going to copy the information that's over here. Copy that. Then you're going to go into the eBay. You're going to paste that on the eBay. It's going to walk you through the process of listing. You list the item. Once you list it, you make sure that you bookmark this page. You're going to bookmark it because you're going to sell this item. Instead of $49, you're going to sell it for $100. Okay? And that $100 is going to include shipping. You can also sell in the different colors if you like. You can actually download the different images, different colors, and put an option where they can actually pick the different colors. So once you do that, like I said, you have it listed on your eBay. You're also going to need a PayPal account for this. Once you have it listed on there, eventually someone's going to order it. You bookmark this page, they make an order. Then once you receive the order, you're going to receive a PayPal confirmation. Once you receive that PayPal confirmation, they're going to pay you the $100. So what you want to do is right away, you place an order. You're going to get the address of the person. You place that order, and you have it shipped to them as a gift. They're going to receive their item. They're going to be happy with their item, and then you're going to get $100 in your account. That's going to include this $49 that you have over here, and it's actually going to include $49 or $50 that you're going to make on that transaction. You can repeatedly do this as long as you want. Be a little bit careful with the customer service. Make sure that you're answering the questions. Make sure that you're checking on Walmart to make sure that the item is being shipped. Make sure you provide the shipping information. If anything's broken, you can actually have them send it back to Walmart, and it should be pretty easy for you to return their money. But if they do say that it's bad, send them a quick message letting them know that that you're gonna send them the other $50 because they did pay $100 for it. It's a pretty simple process. I've done it many times, and you can do it as well. And it's a good way to make a little extra money if you're looking for something that's easy to do. Signing off, this is Elias. Make sure to leave a comment on the bottom of this page, this video. Subscribe to this channel because we're going to have a lot of cool stuff coming up. Take care, everybody.